Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Google Calendar for LinkedIn networking events step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Go to the Google Calendar website. Sign in with your Google account if prompted. On the left side, locate the plus create button. Click on the plus create button. A new event window will appear. Fill in the event title with the name of your LinkedIn networking event. Choose the date and time for your event. If your event lasts all day, check the all day option. Select the Add Guests field. Enter the email addresses of your LinkedIn connections you want to invite. Click on the Add Location field if you have a physical venue. For virtual events, add a video conferencing link by clicking on Add Conferencing. You can also include a description of the event in the description box. To set a reminder, click on the Add Notification option. Choose how long before the event you want the reminder to be sent. Once you have filled in all necessary details, review everything. Click the Save button at the top of the event window. A prompt will appear asking if you want to send invitations to guests. Select Send to notify your LinkedIn connections. Go to your LinkedIn profile. Create a new post to announce your networking event. Include the Google Calendar link in your post for easy access. Share the post to your connections and relevant LinkedIn groups. Monitor RSVPs through Google Calendar as guests respond. Connect with attendees before the event to foster networking opportunities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.